My car's broken and it's probably going to cost a lot of money to fix. I've owned this car for 9 months, only 9 months, and it's already broken. Out of all the Fords I've owned, there's only been one that's been reliable, and that was my Focus. The rest of them have caused me problems. 9 months, and now this is broken. The coolant is way below the minimum line. It's literally just disappearing. This is what I think is the cause. I shouldn't be able to just undo it like that. That's a new lid that I've put on it, but the car's still doing the same thing. So I think this has to go, and I've purchased a new one. I've got the new coolant bottle in here. Nice. It's got the lid. Let's see, loosen up. I can't undo it with my fingers. Back to what I was saying earlier. Just got to the garage, and I've left the car there. And that's where they're going to be doing the work. So I'll come and pick it up later, and yeah, hopefully it's all good. I'm in the middle of a car park. As you guys can see, this is the new coolant bottle, brand new. At this point of the video, the reservoir tank for the coolant has been replaced. I noticed probably like a month ago the car was smoking from the rear. I had white smoke coming out the rear. If any of you guys have had a Ford Fiesta or any other Ford that is dropping coolant and is smoking white smoke out the exhaust, drop me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think it was.